Starting a YouTube channel in 2026. You might be thinking, is it even possible to grow from zero anymore? Let me tell you this. Yes, it is. And not only possible, you can go from zero to your first 10,000 subscribers faster than creators did years ago. If you follow these right strategies. In this video, I will break it down exactly how to grow from zero to 1,000 subscribers step by step using YouTube new 2026 algorithm audit, smart posting system, and content formula that actually work right now. If you are serious about starting a YouTube journey in 2026, this is your blueprint. This video is for you. Like, don't miss it. You understand? Let's build your channel from zero to 1,000, 2,000 subscribers the smart way. Now, the first thing I will be talking about here is the truth about starting YouTube from zero subscribers or starting from scratch. Let's start with something very plain. Let's start with the truth. Growing from zero on YouTube is not about luck anymore. It's about understanding how YouTube system actually works. You understand? In 2026, YouTube rewards relevance for retention more than anything else. It doesn't care how many videos you have posted. It cares how well your videos keep attention. Most beginners focus on views. Wrong move. That is a wrong move totally. When you start from zero, focus on data signal. Do people click? Do they watch past 30 seconds? Ask yourself, do they comment or share? If you can master those three signals early, YouTube will start pushing your channel, even if you have no subscribers yet. So from zero, you are not behind. You are actually free. No expectation, no pressure, just smart execution. You understand? Just smart move. You are good to go. And the second thing I'll be talking about is research before uploading. That's the second thing I'm going to teach us right now. Research before what? Uploading. Before you hit record, you have got to study the battlefield. Here is my research system. Same one. Teach all new creators. Step 1. Search your niche on YouTube. Use 2026 keywords like for beginners in 2026, step-by-step tutorial on this and that, update strategies. You understand? Step 2, filter all what you search by the year. Like filter them, make sure it's very current. You understand? Current and trending. You understand? Step 3, study the top 5 results you see. The top 5 results you see, study them. Like the title, thumbnail, length, energy, hooks, and all of that. Ask yourself, why are these videos working right now? Why is it working for them? Then you create something similar, but more specific, more visual, or faster placed. You understand? Example, instead of how to grow a YouTube channel fast, say something like how to grow a YouTube channel and how to grow a YouTube channel from zero in 2026. Then you now add maybe step by step in bracket, you understand? That specificity is what separates scrolling past from clicking. You understand? And the third thing I'll be talking about today is the 2026 algorithm blueprint. Now, let's break it down how YouTube exactly work in 2026. The new system focuses on viewer satisfaction over raw view. You understand? Like that means your metrics that matter most are CTRO, AVD, which is average view duration, and what is engagement per video. You understand? So forget the sub count at first. Focus on session time. How long? How long your video keep people on YouTube? Focus on those things. Here's how I play the system. I use strong curiosity title with value. You understand? I try posting short every day for 7 days. Here's what happens. Things like that. You understand? Then I also post at the same hour consistently, aggregate length pattern. I also make my first 30 unskippable. That's when YouTube decide if your video will get tested or not. Think of your first 10 video as training data. You are teaching YouTube who your audience is. You understand? That's it. So let's head over to number 4. Number 4 thing you need to know before you start on YouTube, or what you actually need before you start on YouTube, is content strategy that works in 2026. Let's talk about the type of content you should create. In 2026, content that wins fall into 3 buckets: educate, tutorial, how to, which is step-by-step content. You understand? Entertainment. Under entertainment is personal reaction, challenges, and all of that. Power, motivation, storytelling, reliable, and struggle. Pick one lane. If you are starting from 0, go with educate plus power, because people trust and subscribe to teachers with story. Structure your videos like this. Hook. What's the promise? Proof. Show result or data. Process. Step-by-step breakdown. Payout. What they will achieve. This is how I build every viral video, and it works every single time. You understand? Just follow that step and you will thank me later. Now, the 5th thing we'll be talking about when starting YouTube in 2026 is the posting formula. You understand? You don't need to post every day. You need to post strategically. Yes, strategically wins it. Here is my 2026 posting formula. 2 long video per week, educational value heavy, 3 short per week, relatable, quick, attention grabbing. And also community post per week, which is one community post per week. You understand? That's it. This balance tells YouTube you are consistent without burnout. You understand? Even those big YouTubers out there, they upload video at the same time each day. The algorithm like predictability. Remember, it's not just how often you post, it's how predictably you show up. And the 7th thing you need to know before you start on YouTube in 2026 is also the comment and community system. You understand? You understand? Now, let's talk about building community from 0. When nobody knows you, engagement is your best weapon. Every comment, reply. Every viewers, welcome them personally. Then, pin a comment like this. Want a free 2026 YouTube start checklist? Comment starter below. That one move can double your comment, and YouTube notices that interaction fast. Remember, the goal is not just subscribers, it's connection. People subscribe to creator they feel seen by. And also, once you have uploaded your first few videos, dive into analytics. Focus on CTR. Anything over 5% is good. 10% plus is gold. Orientation keep 50% of viewers by the halfway mark. Traffic source double down on what working, search or suggest. You understand? Then alternate. Don't start new topic. Improve on existing ones. Data doesn't lie. If one video does 3 times better, build 3 more like that. That's how you grow, not by guessing. Just that. So the next thing we'll be talking about, which is the ninth thing you need to know, is the mindset of 2026. If you are starting a YouTube channel in 2026, remember this: you don't need luck, you don't need consistency and purity. Every upload teaches you something. Everything matters. Every comment builds your brand. The best creators aren't the most talented. You understand? They are never the most talented. They are just the most consistent learners. You just have to keep learning and updating and improving on yourself. So keep posting, keep improving, and one day you will open your analytic and see 10K subscribers. Yes, 10K subscribers. That's not a dream. That's the result of strategies and patience. I'm Vibe with Double Chief, and if this video actually help you, drop me a starter in the comment section below. And also, if you are a new subscriber, I say thank you for watching, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below there, and let's grow your YouTube journey together. See you in my next video.